Welcome to Innovid, where research-driven design and digital solutions come to life. From client onboarding to project delivery, here's how we do it. Understanding the client's need is our first step in onboarding. That is followed by signing a contract based on trust and mutual understanding. Our dedicated team dives into the depths of research, uncovering insights that shape our strategy. We leverage our research to create a tailored strategy, delivering the finest solutions for our clients' needs. The magic begins with design and planning, where ideas transform into visuals and blueprints. Now, we move on to the crucial phase of turning detailed plans into reality. Continuous improvement is our motto. We use feedback to reach excellence. In the end, it's our client's success that matters most. Their wins are our ultimate achievements. Are you ready to unleash your potential? Contact Innovid today. Let's make your dreams a reality.